Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Yeah, if you followed the Bonk videos over the last few days and over the last few weeks, then you will remember this wave 4 that we've been tracking. Remember that the market, or Bonk, Bonk tried to form and is still trying to form an impulsive reversal after Bonk dipped into this larger support region in this pullback, which actually started already a while ago, already in December. The correction technically started. Yes, Bonk made another high, but this high was part of a corrective wave. So I'm labeling this as possibly a WXY, which in yellow wave 4 completed here possibly. But to confirm that fully, I need to see a 5-wave move up. We talked already a while ago about this inverse head and shoulders pattern, and also about a potential impulsive reversal. One of the few coins that's actually formed an impulse and actually did hold quite well while Bitcoin was moving sideways or actually just going down. So Bonk rallied, however, only in 3 waves. And I highlighted to you that this here could be a 4th wave. And the 4th wave can be a sideways triangle, quite a protracted one, quite an extended one, but nothing invalid here, everything okay. And you can see that in a triangle, typically we expect the price to then, move to the upside, break out to the opposite side of the E wave. And we now have the triangle pattern complete. So we only talked about it, I believe, yesterday. Yesterday, the market was rallying in the D wave of the triangle. And today we've seen the move down. At the moment, we're forming a higher low, but a low hasn't actually formed. So shouldn't say it's a higher low because we haven't got actually a low point in place or a price low in place. So I can't really confirm to you that this is a completed triangle, but it's got enough waves. So at any point here, if we turn around, maybe before breaking this trend line to the downside, and if we see a rally above this D wave high, which is at 262833 roughly, then this would be a first indication that the market is trying to form this 5th wave to the upside. And okay, a break above the D wave high would be the first indication, not confirmation, because the D wave could still be unfolding, right? So that's also possible. As long as we don't break above the B wave, the D wave could extend still, could still unfold. Now, a break above the B wave high, above this top where the red line actually is positioned, that would be confirmation that the triangle is completed. That would be the confirmation. There's a difference between confirming and just indicating, because a break above the B wave high, it will basically, there's then no other way to extend the triangle. So that would be a break above this red line at round about 295847. So that would confirm the triangle breakout to the upside and the rally in the 5th wave. And then we are watching for possible targets to be reached, which I can't fully define or fix yet because there is no low in place in wave 4. So the E wave, I have to measure these targets based on the E wave low, and it hasn't bottomed yet. At least there's no indication, even though there is not much more space to the downside. So it should ideally form a low somewhere in this region if this is the correct count. I mean, currently one of the ideal targets is the 61.8 extension at 349,250. If we break below the C wave low, then this triangle will be invalidated as it is. So that would be a break below 213440. Then there is one more support level at 198,283. But below that level, I cannot call that anymore a wave 4. So, this could still extend, but not as a triangle. If it breaks to the downside, it might be a WXY pattern or something. And I mean, it could be a WXY. These triangles, they tend to morph into something different. It's always possible, but below 198,283, I cannot call that a wave 4 anymore. It can morph from a triangle into a WXY, but it can still be a wave 4, but not below the 50% Fib level anymore, all right? Then it might morph into a different structure, into the alternative. Maybe it's a wave 2, but it will be much less clear then. So the cleanest way would be to just form one more extension higher in wave 5 of 1, and I will keep you updated about that potential. Basically, that means we're in this region. I'm now watching for a first indication that the 5th wave has started. That's my update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.